Hello everyone, in this video given is a square having area is equal to 529 centimeter square. Now we have a right triangle whose height is coinciding with one side of this square and base is parallel to this side lying on the same line and having area is equal to 161 centimeter square. A rectangle is placed in such a way that one of its side is coinciding with these both lengths and having area is equal to 407 centimeter square. If a rectangle is placed over here which is green shaded in such a way that this length, this particular portion of length is equal to this one, then by this limited data we have to find this green shaded area. Let we move towards the solution. First of all, we know that area of square is equal to square of its side. Area of square is given 529, so 529 will be equal to the square of the sides, and taking square root on both sides we will have side length is equal to 23 centimeter. So this square, each side of this square has length is equal to 23. Now we move toward this triangle. Area of a right triangle is equal to half time base into height. Here area is 161 and height is 23. So substituting these value over here, base will be equal to 161 multiplied by 2 divided by 23, and after simplification we will get base is equal to 14 centimeter. So this length is equal to 14 centimeter. This length is 14 and this is 23, so this whole length is 37. Now we talk about this rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle is length into width. Length is 37, width is unknown, and area is equal to 407. So substituting the value of area and length, width is equal to 11 centimeter. So this length is equal to this length is 11, and similarly this length and this length are also 11 units, 11 centimeter. Now this length is 23 and this is 11, so this whole length is 34 centimeter. So again area of rectangle is length into width. Length is 34 and width is 11, so multiplying this green shaded area will be equal to 374 centimeter square, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching.